So how to use BP Rewards points. So to go ahead and use your BP Rewards points, it's fairly straightforward. So first things first, you want to open up the BPme app. And once you've opened it up, you should come across the home page, which looks like this. So at the top right here, it will tell you how many points you've got. And right below it, it will tell you how much those points are worth. So just as a rough guideline, 200 points is roughly £1. And to go ahead and earn more points, if you click on My Card right at the bottom here, it will then open you up your unique barcode. So this is the barcode you use at the till to earn more points. And to go ahead and spend your points, there's two ways to do this. So the first way is spending your BP points in store. So for example, to spend your points in store, you'll need to scan your BP card at the till when purchasing either fuel or selected products, and the cashier from BP should be able to provide a discount on your purchase. So this method's useful if you've got a few spare points and just simply want to ask the cashier to give you a discount, which they can from their side, provided of course you have enough points. But as I said, a rough guideline is £1 for every 200 points. And then the second way is redeeming your points through the BP Rewards website. So unfortunately, at the time of recording this, there is no way to redeem any points on the app, but you can redeem them on the BP Rewards website. So if you are on the app, if you scroll down right here, you'll come to this section here, which says e-vouchers. So if you go ahead and select that, it will then pull you through to the BP Rewards website, where you'll then get the opportunity to spend your points on e-vouchers if you so choose to. And these e-vouchers include things like Amazon and Marks and Spencer's. So for example, let's click on Amazon, and then from there, scroll down, click login, and once you've logged in, you can go ahead and purchase e-vouchers from there. Now keep in mind for Amazon, you need at least 1,000 points in order to get an Amazon voucher, as the minimum is £5. But just to summarise, in order to use your BP Rewards points, if you don't want to use them in store, you'll need to use the BP Rewards website, as unfortunately there isn't a way to do it on the app. But of course, once you're through to the website, you can then go ahead and purchase any e-vouchers from here, and it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.